What's up everybody? Hope this video finds you doing well. So, I wanted to go over these 8 different ways to get free Bitcoin without mining. You may get actual Bitcoins as little rewards in exchange for trying out these different methods. So let's get started. Crypto airdrops. Airdrops are crypto that is given away for free at the beginning of a project in order to attract attention. As a marketing tool, it's a way of promoting a digital money by distributing cryptocurrencies to wallet addresses. It's the quickest and easiest way to acquire free Bitcoin. Whenever the token is published, you will be able to recoup your airdrop costs by selling the free coins. But some of them may necessitate social interaction on your part, such as posting links to your various social media accounts and other small tasks. AIRDROPS.io, CoinMarketCap, ICOMarks, and much more services allow you to look for genuine crypto airdrops. One great example where users were able to claim a large number of free Bitcoins was when Stellar Lumens and Ontology first came out. They were airdropped into people's wallets, and if they sold their Ontology tokens at the correct time, those who took part in the airdrop may have made a very nice profit. Using a crypto web browser. For the most part, the crypto browser is referred to as a blockchain browser by the general public. Therefore, you may not have heard of it, but crypto browsers offer a key entryway to the decentralized ecosystem, particularly for novices, by making decentralized protocols available via a familiar interface. There are a number of websites that will give you free Bitcoins just by browsing the web. Like as a Chrome-like browser, CryptoTab supports browsing as well as the installation of extensions and the syncing of other user accounts online. And so while you're using the browser, it's mining Bitcoins, and you'll be compensated with the money it generates, or Satoshis. Rewards for shopping. So if this is something you've never done, it's a terrific way to start acquiring cryptocurrencies for yourself, your family, and your friends. Get cashback on most of your online transactions with the Crypto Cashback and Incentives app without having to do anything. This is among the best methods to earn Bitcoin rewards. Shopping reward firms will potentially let you receive free Bitcoin by performing your ordinary online shopping. Only downloading an extension for your browser is required for this, but it's very possible to get money back as part of a fraction of Bitcoin by checking out various things. As an example, Lolly will offer you a free Bitcoin if you purchase at over 1,000 of the best-known retailers. You only need to download the application to begin earning money. Learn about crypto. Learning about Bitcoin on websites like Coinbase may also earn you Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency classes and videos may be found on this website. Only the quiz topics or specified assignments need to be completed, but the prize for your efforts will be a fraction of a certain cryptocurrency. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Coinbase's website. In terms of free cryptocurrency, it's one of the better options. After your ID is verified, you'll get $5 in Bitcoin as a thank you. But Coinbase and CoinMarketCap routinely work with players in the crypto sector to promote their goods, services, or information and enable consumers to earn free cryptocurrency while learning. And you can earn tokens and crypto and then exchange them for Bitcoins, even if the bulk of them aren't Bitcoin earning opportunities. Sales of goods and services. Another easy approach to obtain free Bitcoins is to offer goods and services for sale. It's possible to earn excellent money selling anything and taking Bitcoin as payment for it. Bitcoin is currently accepted as a form of payment by a growing number of online retailers. And you may also sell goods for Bitcoin on sites such as Purse.io and Bitify.com. Purse.io connects Amazon customers with people who want to trade their gift cards for Bitcoin, allowing them to select their own price reduction while making purchases on Amazon. And if you are looking to purchase or sell anything, Bitify.com seems to be the world's biggest Bitcoin auction and marketplace. With the world-renowned Bitcoin escrow service, buyers get 30 days of buyer protection. Bitcoin FAUCET. A Bitcoin faucet, such as freebitco.in, is a website where you can earn free Bitcoins in return for doing some kind of task. In 2010, Gavin Anderson proposed the idea of a website where you could swap BTC for products and services, and it quickly became a predecessor to more mainstream exchanges. One of the earliest Bitcoin faucets on the internet, freebitco.in was founded in 2013. So you can complete the CAPTCHA on the free BTC page, then press the roll button. Every hour, a free new roll is available, and you may win up to $200. On top of that, they provide you with 2 bonus reward points and 2 lottery tickets with each roll, so you may try your luck at winning big. And if you send your buddies to freebitco.in to benefit from the FAUCET, you'll get a lifetime 50% commission on their earnings. Earn Bitcoins by doing online jobs. Another option to earn free Bitcoins outside of mining is to complete a specified online job. You'll need to perform a series of activities on several websites to acquire it. To test their website, conduct surveys, retweet articles, evaluate or improve their website, or accomplish other modest tasks. Some firms can reward you in Bitcoin. Small Bitcoin incentives are offered by several other websites to those who correctly answer one of their quiz questions. On Bitcoin Get, you may look for a job which compensates you in Bitcoin. This is the quickest and most convenient method for obtaining free Bitcoin. Take surveys, complete tasks, and more to earn Bitcoin. And on places like Bit4Tip, just by answering questions and offering helpful hints, members of Bit4Tip may earn Bitcoin. Playing games on a mobile device. There are many mobile games now that offer free cryptocurrencies as a prize. Plenty fun games to try, and for free cryptocurrencies, many online games urge consumers to play additional mobile games online and see ads. It's a terrific method to generate money, even in modest amounts, for young people. Online mobile games have become an excellent method to both have fun and make money. And even for advertising, online gaming has become a wonderful tool for enticing individuals by paying them Bitcoins in exchange for participation. To win or get free Bitcoins, you may play hundreds of games. It's probably true that gaming is the quickest and simplest method to get money. There are also in-world currencies that can be purchased or traded for Bitcoins on most gaming platforms, making it easier to buy and sell virtual goods. Even playing online casino games. Bitcoins may be won for free in a variety of online casino games. As long as you put money into the game, you'll be eligible for a wide range of incentives, including sign-up, welcome, engagement, deposit, withdrawal, and more. But you may not be required to deposit money in order to get a sign-up and welcome reward on some of these sites. Sign-up bonuses at Real Poker, for example, don't need you to register. Referral bonuses of 25% are another way to boost your Bitcoin poker fortune. Fortune Jack gives new players a bonus of about 5 BTC and 100 free spins upon just signing up. And Mbit Casino offers more than 300 games, including conventional roulette, blackjack, and slot machines. Another incentive you may claim, 3 satoshis per minute at luckydice.net, and more. But most of these casino games include spins, decks, slots, or dice tossing that you may earn free BTC just by playing. So there are also games built on top of the blockchain that have given out over 1,090 free Bitcoin coins since they began in 2014. And even games that don't use the blockchain. Coin incentives, based on levels played or prices, may be found in fighting games or even other games that are not blockchain-based, but involve Bitcoin payouts in some way. The games allow you to prepare your strategy and earn free Bitcoin while playing. In order to earn free Bitcoins, you may build decks and compete against other players using orb-based decks. And quiz games. Quiz games are a popular form of entertainment. You may earn bonus satoshis by answering trivia questions in many categories with these games. Satoshi Quiz, for example, has a variety of rewards, but you have to be one of the 3 winners to get a portion of the Bitcoins. The minimum withdrawal amount is 11,000 satoshis. Definitely a fun way to get free Bitcoin. So you may win free Bitcoins by completing various tasks, such as viewing advertisements or playing games. However, you'll only get a little percentage of the Bitcoins. But having free Bitcoins on hand might be advantageous, even as Bitcoin price continues to grow over time, allowing you to make a profit. Well, I hope you're able to learn about some interesting ways to get free Bitcoin you may want to try out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more ways to make that crypto cash. Take care!